We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We are going to use a spudger. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Now we remove the screen connector. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove two screws. This is the fingerprint sensor connector. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. the device is charging properly.